So look at the question first. You are Mr. Jones. So the name is given here. The sender's name is given. The sports teacher, your designation also is given. In KS Public School, the name of the institute also is given. The principal has asked you to place an order for buying necessary sports equipments required for the school. You decide to write a letter of inquiry to Messrs. Rathi Sports, Mumbai. Now look at the question carefully. In the question, don't get confused. See, here it is given at the beginning, the principal has asked you to place an order. But this is not a letter about order. In fact, it is letter of inquiry. Here, just to confuse you, it's given here. The principal has asked you to place an order for buying necessary sports equipment required for the school, but first you decide to write a letter of inquiry to Messrs. Rathi Sports. So the question is about letter of inquiry, not about letter of order. So it's not about placing order, it's about letter of inquiry. So let's write. Look at the question here. Look at the question here. You are Mr. Jones, the sports teacher in KS Public School, Mumbai. The principal has asked you to place an order for buying necessary sports equipments required for the school. You decide to write a letter of inquiry to Messrs. Rathi Sports, Mumbai. Now here, look at the address. Whatever is given in the question, we have just copied it. KS Public School, Mumbai. So we have written the same address. KS Public School, Mumbai. Then we have written the date. Later, again the receiver's address, Messrs. Rathi Sports, Mumbai. Even that is given. So we have just picked that and we have written it. And here we write to the manager, Messrs. Rathi Sports, Mumbai. Then subject also, the same thing we have copied. Enquiry about, that was given in the structure that I taught you. About what? About sports equipment. Even that is given here. Sports equipment required for the school. So we have written here sports equipment for school. And then, dear sir, the salutation. So it's nothing new here. Whatever is given in the question, we have read the question carefully and we have written it in this way. Okay? Based on the points that we have studied, we will try to write a letter. Chalo. See now. Now you all tell me, which point should we put in? So you can write here, my name is Mr. Jones and I am the sports instructor or sports teacher of KB Public School. And then you can pick a point. I would like to inquire about one of your product, or I would like to inquire about sports equipment. Anything you can write. So what I'll do is I'll pick up this from here till here, this point. I'll not type it again. Now you all do it. See. So otherwise the session will go too long. Right? So I'll place it here. My name is, so what is given there? My name is Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, and I am the, let's see what is there in the question. See, sports teacher in KS Public School. See, whatever is there in the question, I am just writing the same thing. Okay? Writing the same thing here. Nothing new. See, I am the sports teacher. Mr. Jones. I am the sports teacher in KS Public School, Mumbai. Okay. Now let me show you. Look at the statement. Tell me which statement can we put in. Can we put this? See, we can take the first line also. I'm writing to ask about the availability of this one, isn't it? So we'll take this, copy it down. See here how easily you can develop a letter. Paste. Yeah, I'm writing to ask about the availability of sports sports item. You can write sports items and which sports item, as you can write hockey sticks. See what you want, that you need to write. Then tennis rackets, cricket kits, and tennis balls. Okay, see, look here, I'll show you in this way. See, my name is Mr. Jones. I am the sports teacher in KS Public School, Mumbai, and directly I have written what for what I have my purpose for writing the letter. I am writing to ask about the availability of sports item as hockey sticks, tennis rackets, cricket kits, and tennis ball. Okay, all right. Go for the next paragraph, second paragraph, and see which line you can fit in. So here, see the first one. I would feel obliged if you send your latest catalogs and price list about the products. Whichever line you feel suitable related to the question, you can write. So I'll pick up the first one. See, for the second paragraph, I'll start with the second paragraph here. I would feel obliged if you send your latest catalog and price list related to these items. See, you need to add your points also. See, we have done with the first paragraph. Now here is the second paragraph that we are dealing in. So let's see again which points we can add in. ठीक है, चलो, come on. Yeah. So you can pick the third also, like I would like to know about the special incentive and discounts for large and repeated orders, and please provide clear details about the delivery procedure, or the other points that you would like to include in your letter. So I'll pick up this. I need information about the discount. See, copy, and I'm going to write it here. Look here, I'm going to paste it here. See, I need information about the discounts and bulk orders, and see, I'll show it to you clearly. Just pay attention to what I'm doing. See, I need information about, and second point that I would like to write in my letters, please provide clear details about the delivery procedure. Even the payment options need to be asked. Yeah, copy here, see here, paste. Clear details about the delivery procedure. Alright, so see, we have done with the first paragraph, we have done with the second one as well. Here again you can ask about the cost and so on, other things as well, but here we have included that in the price list. So I'll show you closely. Look here, look, first paragraph is done. Only the phrases that I have added is availability of sports item as hockey stick, tennis rackets, cricket kits and tennis balls. After the first paragraph we need to leave a line. See the alignment here. Directly we start from the margin, we leave a line to show the difference in the paragraph. Now in the second paragraph I would feel obliged if you send your latest catalog and price lists. This is only the phrase that I added related to these items. I need information about the discounts and bulk orders. Please provide clear details about the delivery procedure. Isn't it? Okay, see now if you read the question properly and if you have these ready sentences, look how easily you can write the letter. I go back again. Now I need my third paragraph. So I'll write my third paragraph here. Okay, for the third paragraph I'll take a new slide, but you continue. See here, for third paragraph what should I do? See, I can pick up. Please revert back me with all the relevant information, options and suitable alternatives. Please contact me if you have further questions. Looking forward to doing business together. So I'll pick up the first one. Please revert back to me with all the relevant information. So I pick up this sentence and I'll insert it here. I'll write it down here for my letter to form the third paragraph. Okay. Now if you want you can add in your other like details about terms and conditions, about the mode of payment and so on. Okay. So I'll go back again to the third paragraph and I'll pick up the line. An early reply shall be appreciated, or we look forward to an early response and action, or I look forward to your immediate response and action in this matter. So I'll pick up the first one. You. See, if you are prepared with the sentences, you can just write it in this way. Okay. So here I end by thanking you and Mr. Jones, and write sports teacher, because it's given in the question, the designation. Alright, see, look here, I'll show you the letter once again. So before you only we managed together to do this. The details from the question, we developed the first paragraph, we developed the second one and the third one with the help of the points and opening statements. The third paragraph, the second paragraph and the first paragraph together helped us to frame this letter together. So isn't it easy for you to write any letter? That is why I tell you to have ready points with you all. Okay? I'll read it out to you. My name is Mr. Jones. I am the sports teacher in KS Public School, Mumbai. I'm writing to ask about the availability of sports item as hockey sticks, tennis racket, cricket kits and tennis balls. I would feel obliged if you send your latest catalog and price list related to these items. I need information about the discounts and bulk orders. Please provide clear details about the delivery procedure. And then please revert back to me with all relevant information, options and suitable alternatives. An early reply shall be appreciated. Look at it. Wasn't it easy? Alright? So that's all about framing the letter. If you like my video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Learn with Afreen. Thank you.